You have to watch this video with a strong heart. Painful stages in the life of cats. When these cats fight among themselves, they seriously injure their opponents with dangerous blows. In this video, you will see how dangerous the cats attacked. That they took out someone's eye and broke someone's jaw. This poor kitten is in so much pain right now. His jaws are broken. Life stages of cats. He finds it very difficult to eat and drink. This poor kitten has been badly injured by a cat. It has been hungry and thirsty for a long time. This kitten is having a very difficult time eating due to a broken jaw. This cat has lost its eye. The eye of this black cat has also been gouged out by the big cat. Their life is always full of dangers. The most serious condition is that of this kitten. His pain can be felt. Such is the system of nature. The weak have to face many difficulties to survive. This kitten is fighting for life and death. If the flies continue to sit on him, he will get worms in his wounds. In this life and death fight, nothing can be said about whether this kitten will survive or not.